In this video, I will explain my bank system to you. This program demonstrates key concepts, especially inheritance and polymorphism, through different types of transactions like deposit, withdrawal, and transfer. So, first, inheritance. Inheritance is used in my program through a base class called transactions. This class contains common properties such as amount, execution status, date of transaction, and many more. It also defines the common methods like execute, rollback, and print. All specific transactions like deposit transaction, withdrawal transaction, transfer transactions inheritance from this base class. This allows all the transactions types to reuse the same common logic instead of rewriting it multiple times. As each child class can extend or modify this behavior according to its specific need. Then, like we can take an example on this, like deposit transactions perform a deposit operation while withdrawal transaction perform a withdrawal. Okay, so next point is polymorphism. So it is used when the bank class handles different types of transaction using a single method. The method execute transaction except a parameter of type transaction which is a base class. Even true different transaction objects are passed, the correct execute method is called automatically at runtime depending on the actual exact type. This is possible because each transaction class override the execute method, so the same method behave different for withdrawal, deposit, or transfer objects. Next, one method handling all the transactions. So instead of writing separate methods for deposit, withdrawal, and transfer, I use one journal method that called execute on given transaction. Due to the polymorphism, the system automatically decided which specific implementation to run. This makes the code more flexible and reduce duplication. So, adding a new transaction, we simply create a new class that inherits from the transaction base class and implement its execute and rollback method. For example, we could create the interest transaction class. This shows that the system is easily extendable and follow the good design principles. Now we will understand the advantages of inheritance, as it reduces code duplications by reusing the common logic. It ensures the consistency across all transaction types. It makes the code easier to maintain and update, and it improves the code organizations. Next, the examples or the advantages of polymorphism. So it allows a single method to handle multiple types of object. Its advantages includes cleaner and more flexible code, easier when adding new features, better separation for concerns, and avoid multiple conditional statements. So the overall conclusion of my whole program is this banking system uses inheritance and polymorphism to create a modular and scalable design. New transaction types can be added easily without changing existing code, which makes the system manageable and maintainable. Okay, so thank you